This is why you should never challenge a construction worker in a strength competition, because this guy made a bet with a local worker that if he could break this hammer, he'd win $100. He thought it would be easy money and basically a free day off, but he seriously underestimated the worker and even questioned him.
100 pounds.
Yeah, but how are you going to break it? You mean smash the head off?
No.
The worker took that as disrespect. He didn't say much, he just took off his clothes and then did something that left the guy with an empty wallet.